How do I get my business site higher in Google? Hey, I'm Dr. Ty Belknap with Powerful SEO, and I've been doing internet marketing since actually about 1995. Started it as a side hustle, made it my main business in 2002, and I've been doing SEO and internet marketing ever since then. The biggest question I get is, how do I get my business site higher in Google? So I'm going to go through an article I wrote called 29 Tips on SEO when building a website. And you can use this when marketing your website as well. If you're interested, if you'd like to read it instead of watching this or listening to it, you can go to the comments, notes, description, depending upon where you're watching it. If you're listening to the podcast, head over to portbell.com, click on Success Tips, and it will be in our Success Tips blog. And be sure to join the Success Tips Club. That way you'll find out when all the new videos come out. I do an email about maybe once a week. I hate it when people just send emails, 2, 3, 4 times a day. You won't get that from me. So you get an email about once a week. Join the club and you'll find out when the new videos come out, because I only do them maybe once a week as well. So today, this is part 1, and I'm going to go over just a few of the 29 tips on SEO when building a website article that I wrote. And the first tip, which is the first thing I tell everybody, when I do speeches for the Chamber of Commerce, when I work with organizations, I always tell them, number 1, create only high quality, relevant, accurate, and keyword-rich content. Remember, the entire purpose of Google, Bing, Yahoo, Yandex, whatever search engine, is to provide relevant, accurate content in its results. If you are looking for refrigerator repair and you go onto Google and you type that in and it pops up with a whole bunch of accountants, not only are you not going to be happy with the results, if it happens enough, you're going to leave Google and go somewhere else. Google doesn't want that. The entire purpose of Google is to get you accurate results when you're searching there, which is why your website has to have those accurate results. If your web page has accurate results, 70% of your SEO game is already won. That's why content is so important, and that's why content is king. And number 4 on the list, I'm going to be skipping around on the numbers a little bit. I'm going to do a few different times. Number 4 on the list, relevant content appeals to your target audience, and this works with number 1 as well. You don't want a web page on the latest research of how the elasticity of certain types of gum creates the best bubbles if your website is about refrigerator repair. Don't get me wrong, that might be a fun blog post, but it doesn't belong as a web page. Relevant content has 2 purposes. It gets your target audience to your website and provides them with good information. Now, this whole thing is a cascade effect. If you have relevant content, Google will rank you higher. People will go to your website, they'll read the relevant information, they will like it, and they will hire you for your products or services. It all works together. This is the best thing that you can do to get higher in the search engines. Thank you for listening or watching part 1 of How Do I Get My Business Site Higher in Google. Remember, go to portbell.com and under Success Tips, click on Join the Club, and you will be the first to find out when our new videos come out. I'm Dr. Ty. Thanks for listening and have a great day.